Your previous knowledge may lead you to assume that evolution is a long and complex process of animals changing into other animals over millions of years and a lot of luck. While this is true, there are some key building blocks of evolution that allow us to harness its power to create simulations of our own animals on the computer. We start with the primordial soup, which is a set of conditions on Earth billions of years ago that were perfect for small life to begin. Organisms had children that sometimes had mutations in their genotype, or DNA, which resulted in different phenotypes, or properties. Sometimes, these mutations helped children survive, allowing them to have more children with similar genotypes. Through these random mutations, whole populations of organisms evolved to better survive in their environment. So, our simulation needs a starting generation, mutated children, and a way to determine which robots survive. Our starting generation is a set of randomly generated robots with green sensor blocks like we see here. Imagine that we had 5 of these robots. Now imagine that they each had a child with a mutation. Some had an extra block, or lost a block, or had a different brain. To see if they could survive better in their environment, we look at their blue fitness. In this case, fitness is shown here as the direction of the black arrow. Between the child and parent, the one who moved the least in the direction of the black arrow dies. Now we are left with a new generation of robots. Once we repeat this many times, we get new robots in completed evolution through a process called parallel hill climbing. Here are 2 graphs showing the best fitness of robots in each of 500 generations. Each line is a separate parallel hill climb with a population of 10 robots. Let's take a look at the first robots. Pretty bad. Now, let's take a look at the best evolved robots. Look at them move. They learned how to hop all by themselves.